When you book a cruise, you imagine calm seas, delicious food, and unforgettable memories. But here's the truth many travelers discover too late. One small mistake can cost you money, cause stress, or even put your safety at risk. That's why in this video, I'm sharing 10 smart hacks that will transform your cruise from good to absolutely unforgettable. And stick with me until the very end, because I'll reveal a bonus secret about how cruise lines operate that you can actually use to your advantage. Ready to sail smarter? Then hit that like button and subscribe to join our community of savvy travelers. The first day feels like a non-stop party. Music, drinks, food everywhere. But here's the trap. Going too hard on day one leads to dehydration, seasickness, or a miserable first night stuck in your cabin. Instead, take it slow and enjoy the excitement without overdoing it. Explore the ship, get familiar with your surroundings, and take time to relax. Pace yourself. Drink water, eat before cocktails, and let your body adjust to the motion. Take breaks in the shade, and don't forget to check out the daily schedule for fun activities. You've got plenty of days ahead to enjoy, so there's no need to rush. Savor each moment and let your vacation unfold naturally. And don't skip the muster drill. Yes, it's not glamorous, but it teaches you exactly what to do in an emergency. That knowledge is priceless peace of mind. Once you've set yourself up for success on day one, the next big mistake to avoid comes down to something everyone worries about: staying connected. Onboard Wi-Fi is overpriced and painfully slow. Some people waste hundreds only to struggle sending a simple message. If you need to stay connected, consider buying a small data package just for emergencies. Instead, download movies, music, and maps before you leave home. Offline apps and entertainment will save you from boredom and high fees. When in port, use free Wi-Fi in cafes or shops. Just be cautious with public networks and avoid accessing sensitive information. And here's a wallet saver. Always switch your phone to airplane mode before leaving port. If not, your phone may connect to satellite service, hitting you with bills in the thousands. Double check your settings to avoid surprises. Stay smart, stay connected, and avoid that financial nightmare. Plan ahead and you'll have peace of mind. But even if you manage to stay connected, you'll want protection from life's unexpected curveballs. That's where the next hack comes in. Skipping travel insurance feels like saving money until something goes wrong. A single doctor visit at sea costs hundreds, an emergency evacuation, thousands. Even minor issues can become major expenses. Even a delayed flight that makes you miss the ship can wreck your vacation. Travel insurance can cover missed connections and unexpected delays. Insurance also covers lost luggage, cancellations, and weather disruptions. It's not exciting, but it's peace of mind that could save your trip and your wallet. Always read the policy details to know what's included. Now that you're covered, let's tackle something every cruiser struggles with: packing. Smart packing can make your trip much easier. Cabins are small, and overpacking is one of the biggest rookie mistakes. Space is limited, so every item should earn its place in your bag. Dragging heavy bags through terminals and tripping over them in your cabin is no fun. Lighter luggage means less stress and more freedom to move around. The smart move? Pack light. Bring versatile outfits, rewear items, and remember most ships offer laundry services. Use packing cubes to organize your clothes and maximize space. They make unpacking and repacking a breeze. Traveling lighter makes your cruise simpler, less stressful, and leaves room for souvenirs. You'll thank yourself when it's time to head home. Speaking of saving space and stress, you'll also want to keep an eye on your budget, because hidden costs can sneak up fast. Planning ahead helps you avoid surprises. Cruise lines love to advertise freebies like drinks or Wi-Fi, but they're often hidden in the fare, meaning you may be paying more overall. Always read the fine print and do the math before booking. Compare packages to see what you really need. And here's another pro move. Check your cruise bill daily on the app. Don't wait until the last day when guest services is swamped. This helps you spot errors or unexpected charges early. Catching small errors early keeps your final bill clean and stress-free. If you see something odd, ask guest services right away. Money isn't the only thing you need to watch out for. Once you step off the ship, a whole new set of challenges appear. Be prepared for what's ahead. Ports are exciting, but also full of scams. Fake guides, overpriced souvenirs, and unsafe taxis are everywhere. Always research your destination before you arrive. Do your research, book excursions with trusted companies, and if shopping, learn the local currency and bargain politely. Check online reviews and ask the crew for recommendations. Private tours can save money and offer smaller groups, but remember, the ship won't wait if you're late. Set alarms and keep track of time. Plan wisely so you don't end your adventure watching the ship sail away without you. Always return to the ship with plenty of time to spare. Now, once you're back on board and ready to relax, there's something else you'll need to protect: your skin. Sun safety is crucial. Nothing ruins a cruise faster than a painful sunburn. The sun is stronger at sea, so extra caution is needed. Always bring reef-safe sunscreen. Many destinations require it, and buying on board can cost triple the price. Don't forget a hat and sunglasses for extra protection. Apply and reapply often. Protecting your skin means you won't spend days hiding indoors instead of enjoying the pool or beach. Set reminders to reapply every couple of hours. But protecting yourself doesn't end with sunscreen. Another area that confuses first-time cruisers is gratuities. Let's clear that up. Gratuities confuse a lot of first-time cruisers. Prepaying may feel convenient, but you lose control. Some cruise lines automatically add tips to your bill. On the flip side, skipping tips altogether is unfair to hard-working staff. These crew members rely on tips for a large part of their income. The best approach: tip directly in cash to those who make your trip special, your cabin steward, your favorite server. This ensures your appreciation goes to the right people. It shows genuine appreciation and often leads to even better service throughout your cruise. A little kindness goes a long way. Speaking of crew, let's talk about where you'll be sleeping, because your cabin location can make or break your trip. Choose wisely for a better experience. Cabin location can make or break your cruise. Rooms under the pool deck or near nightclubs often mean endless noise and sleepless nights. Check the ship's deck plan before booking. The best cabins are midship, away from elevators and busy areas. These spots are usually quieter and more stable if the seas get rough. A quiet location ensures better rest, which means more energy for excursions, shows, and fine dining. Consider your needs and preferences before choosing. Now, while your cabin matters, the real secret to enjoying your cruise lies in listening to the people who know the ship best. The crew can be your best resource. Your best insider advantage: the crew. They know hidden spots, the best times for activities, and even shortcuts around the ship. Don't be shy, ask questions. Many passengers ignore their advice, but being friendly and listening can unlock tips you'll never find in a brochure. Crew members love to share their knowledge. Crew members often share secrets that make your trip smoother, safer, and more enjoyable. A simple conversation can lead to great discoveries. And speaking of secrets, it's time for the bonus tip. One that most cruisers don't even realize is happening. Stay tuned for this final insight. Here's the big secret: your cruise card or wristband tracks your movements, purchases, and even the restaurants you visit. Cruise lines say it's for safety, but it's also for marketing and targeted offers. The advantage: You can track your family, monitor your spending, and sometimes even score discounts. Just remember, privacy is limited at sea, but awareness gives you control. And with that, let's wrap things up with the most important takeaway of all. So, which of these cruise hacks surprised you the most? With these tips, you'll not only avoid mistakes, you'll actually create the best cruise possible. Give this video a thumbs up, share it with fellow travelers, and let me know in the comments what other cruise secrets you'd like me to uncover. Click on one of these videos next to keep your journey to smarter travel going, and I'll see you there. Thanks for watching.